As an active user of Definitiv, you will receive a new email invite to access EVO. The email invite will be branded with Definitiv Evo. It will provide information about the process that you need to follow, including a link that you must click to start setting up your Access Identity credential. You must set up your Access Identity account, including a username and password, before logging into Definitiv again. Take note that the link is valid for only 24 hours. On the setup screen, click the "It's my first time signing into Access Workspace" button. You must enter your first name, last name, and click the next button. Your email address will be auto-populated. You must set up a new password that meets the required criteria. So it must be at least 10 characters long, not commonly used, and have a strong password score. Once the password meets these criteria, it will turn green, indicating it can be set. Go ahead and click the Set My Password button to continue. You will see a confirmation that your account has been successfully created. You can then click the Go to Access Definitiv button, which will log you into Definitiv. You'll notice the Access button at the top left corner of your screen, where you can start making the most out of Access Evo. You can log out as per usual. Just note that logging out of Definitiv will also sign you out of Access Identity, and vice versa. When you want to log back in, go to your standard Definitiv URL. Enter your password into Access Identity. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, 2FA, you'll be prompted to enter the code every time you log in. If you had already set up 2FA before the EVO transition, you won't need to set it up again. If you have not set up your two-factor authentication before, or if your role has recently changed and now requires 2FA, your Definitiv admin will send you a 2FA email invite. Click the link to set up your 2FA. Just follow the steps given. First, download the 2FA app to your smartphone, and then use the app to scan the QR code as per step 2. Once it's linked, key in the 2FA code in the field and click the Verify button to proceed. You'll be directed to the Definitiv page, where you'll have to enter the 2FA code again. Key in the code again, and you'll be able to access your Definitiv Evo. Voila!